Hey everybody, this is Kevin, the product manager from Kwikset, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse the lever on the Oxford style, which is our newest model for our international series. So why do you need to reverse the lever to begin with? Well, the lever's going to come back. It's going to come back for a certain door, and let's say, for example, on your particular door that you're looking for, if you were to put, and let's call this the exterior, this with this sign that says Kwikset here. And so obviously you're going to want, if you have a keyed entry function, you want your key on the exterior, not your privacy button on the exterior. So if we were to install this lever right now on this door, you can see it wouldn't actually work because your lever would be sort of on the same side as your latch, which aesthetically isn't appealing, wouldn't work really well either. So you could do the easy option, which is to flip it, which is not the desired solution because the Oxford is designed to actually be hung with the lever on top. So in order to prevent this from happening in the field, I'm going to show you briefly how you can switch the levers. So what you're going to do here is you got your exterior and your interior portions. In your box with the hardware you receive a special little key, which is this guy right here. And what you're going to do with this key is basically take both your levers, and there's going to be a little pinhole right here. You're going to stick this in there, wait for you to hear a little click, and then you'll be able to disengage the lever and just yank it right off from the chassis. Okay, so this is your interior piece. You'll do the same for the exterior. Push in the little pin key, and all you're really doing, I'll show you, is you're freeing this little spring button right here to be able to release the lever right off of the door. Pulling it down, and then your cylinder mechanisms are going to come out. And these levers are designed to be exactly the same, so you can stick the cylinder and its mechanisms in any housing that you need to. So in this particular case, we're going to put them in this side of the lever to make it fit on our door. So in any sense, in order to do that, gotta rotate the chassis here, put the cylinder mechanisms back inside, do a quick function check, make sure everything fit in perfectly, as it did in this particular case. Then we are going to slide the lever over the cylinder chassis and snap it in. That works. Very good. And do the same for the interior portion, where the buttonhole should snap in over this spring piece so we can unload the lever. We want to change sides again at some point. And so now we have reversed the lever. So now this should fit in that hole. Now fit it properly, put it on the reverse side, and voila. Our lever is now reversed. Function check, the spring is working, the latch is retracting, and the keys function. It may stick a little bit since we reversed it, so you really got to make sure you turn it all the way to get it to function properly. As you can see, the turn piece, it works as it should. Unlocked, locked, and that is reversing procedure for the Oxford lever.